welcome back to my channel. I am D. If you are new, I am fresh off work and it's about 9:25 or something like that. I'm officially done with work until after my birthday. Probably go back to work on the 13th or something like that. Today is the 30th. Well, tonight is the 31st. Happy Halloween. Hope everybody have fun, being safe, whatever like that. I'll probably pop a picture in of some of my coworkers that dressed up tonight. They really did. They big one. They really look cute. I didn't get a picture of everybody, but I think I got a picture of like 2 or 3 people. And so we had a good night at work. Let's get into what I want to show y'all. I am about to soak the rest of my nails off so I can get that taken care of. But I have 2 packages that I got today. I already opened up this one. It's from Macy's. And this is the perfume I was talking about, you guys. MAC has discontinued this perfume. I don't know why. So I went on a search for it. And it is the MAC Candy Yum Yum. If you're familiar with MAC, they had a little line of perfumes. There is also a lipstick called Candy Yum Yum, which I have that also, and it's this pink. When I tell y'all, we went into the mall and I was going to get my foundation because I love, if y'all know, I love everything MAC. I'm just starting to dip my toe into Charlotte Tilbury and Estee Lauder, but I am a MAC girl through and through. And my husband was smelling the little perfume and he was like, "Oh, I like this, smell this." Y'all, Candy Yum Yum. This smell brought me back. I've been without this bottle for about 2 years. I don't know how I forgot about this perfume, but I said I would love to have this bottle of perfume for my birthday. Went on MAC, they said it's discontinued. I smelled all the other ones. I wasn't interested in them smells. This is my favorite smell. So I just Googled it and they said Macy's and a couple of other places had it. So the bottle was $60. It's a good size. I'll show y'all when I open it up. But y'all need to smell this. It smells so good. And yeah, MAC Candy Yum Yum. Let me know, have you ever smelled it before? Have you ever tried any of MAC's perfume? I think they got 2 more perfumes that are actually on the website. But let me know. I'm gonna have to get 3 bottles to put them up since they're discontinued on MAC, so I could just have them in stock, y'all. I love that smell. Okay, y'all, and the next thing I have is from the Crystal Lachon Experience LLC. It's I guess it's a little shop online or whatever. I ordered this off of Instagram, I believe. And this is a It Don't Move stick. So y'all know I'm gonna be wearing a wig. So this is glue that you can just drop into your purse. And if your tabs are lifting or anything is lifting on your wig, this is the applicator. Looks like a little brush on it. I don't want to open it. And then the back, it looks like you push the back. You push the back like a little syringe to get the glue up, and it's called It Don't Move. This is going in my purse and in my bag for vacation. I don't know if we're going to the pool or the beach. I do not know. Y'all know I do not know where he's taking me, but I'm going to be ready. It's called It Don't Move, and I will link this down in the bottom of the description. And I'm going to make sure I have this in my purse when I get ready to go, so I won't have to be worrying about fixing my wig or being out or getting it wet or whatever. I got this. So hopefully it works like they say it works, and they say it's waterproof. So we're going to try it out, and I'll definitely give y'all a review and an update. And it's non-scented. You can get some. She has some scented with strawberry. I think I paid $27 or something for this with shipping. So like I said, hopefully it's good as they say it is. So those are the only 2 products I got. I'm about to finish packing a little bit, and I'm going to soak my nails off, and I will check in with you guys tomorrow. Bye. Happy Halloween. Hey, y'all. Good morning. I am up and refreshed. I really slept good. It's about 11 something, and I thought Mr. was gonna make it home today, but he's not gonna make it home until tomorrow. I'm bummed out about that, but he did buy me breakfast. So I did a breakfast order from Bob Evans. Everything I'm not supposed to have, but I need to have it this morning. So I'm gonna show you guys my breakfast. Good morning. I don't know if I said it, but today is November the 1st. It's like 11 something. Y'all, this new pain medicine they gave me is way, way better. I'm getting a full night's sleep, so I'm thankful for that. So let's get into this breakfast. Okay, you guys, I got some hot chocolate. Anytime it's cool in Florida, you might as well go ahead and take advantage to get you some hot chocolate. So I got that. And this is what they call the farmer's breakfast. Bacon, sausage, cheese, eggs with onions, hash browns, and then I got 3 pancakes, y'all. It smells so good. I think this is my first time having breakfast from Bob Evans, so I'll let y'all know later on in the evening. And I just got a package, y'all. So I think this is my wig. I told you guys that I didn't know if I was gonna use the wig that I had showed y'all. So that I had to order another wig from Mysteria Hair. I'll put the little clip of the wig. I just kept on seeing it going down my timeline. I'm like, oh my God, this wig is so beautiful. And then the other hair, I don't know how that hair is gonna do under heat. So just in case, and I don't think that the bundles I ordered match that wig too good. So just in case, I have a backup plan. So this wig is from Mysteria Hair. Wig was $749. It's supposed to be 36 inches and it's supposed to be 300 density. So let's get this open. Cause I was like, I'm only waiting on 2 other things. So it's in a box that looks like a shoebox. Cute. Then the top comes off like a shoebox. This is my first time having a wig like this. Coming in a shoebox anyway. So let's see if it's true to length. Comes with wig band. Comes with edge brush. Comes with stocking cap. Regular stuff it comes with. I think I ordered a wig from them once. No, I never ordered a wig from them. Usually they come with bonnets, but this is fine. The box is a little beat up, but that's fine. Let's check out this wig, y'all. Ooh, it's pretty too. So it's 13 by 6, 300 density, 36 inch. Let's go, y'all. So pretty. I might have to use this one, y'all. Look at that. I was doing a short. You know, you got to get your content how you get it. So I showed y'all this ring light I have now. It has 4 phone holders. So I have a phone down here for shorts or a camera. I have a camera up here or phone. Either one you can put in the different spots. So that's why y'all see me looking down a little bit. Y'all, I'm going to bring this wig with. I might have to use this wig. But I'll put the video that made me buy this wig. Y'all, I love this wig. I don't know about, it says 300 density. It feels thick because y'all, I have a big head. Oh yeah, I did wash and blow out my hair, y'all. Your girl hair is growing. I've been taking care of it better. And I just washed it and blowed it out, getting it ready for tomorrow. But yeah, y'all. It said my wig was going to get delivered on my birthday. So I'm super excited. I think this is worth the $700. And I love it. The lace is HD lace. Y'all, I might have to switch it up and get this wig put on. 36 inches. It's giving 36. I need to get me a measuring tape so I can start measuring these things. And look at the lace. You really don't have to do anything to the lace. But yeah, y'all, I'm super excited. My hair appointment is tomorrow. I'm not going to come back to y'all. Oh, I have a giveaway. It's going to be for all platforms because I just noticed it's been a while since I did a giveaway. So I have a giveaway coming. I'm going to announce it at the end of this video. I'm not going to come back until my hair and my nails and stuff are done. So it's probably going to be like November the 3rd, the night before my birthday. And I'll announce the winner. It's going to be, the winners are going to be from, that you could win from Instagram, you could win from Facebook, or you can win from YouTube. So that's what I'm going to do. Because I haven't did a giveaway in a little minute. Since last year. It's almost a whole year and I haven't did a giveaway. I just want to show you guys support. And I thank y'all so much. My channel is growing and growing. And I just really appreciate y'all. So y'all, I'm going to do that. Man, I had to make sure I told y'all that. But yeah, I love it, y'all. Bye. And drinking my water. Because from tonight, which is the 2nd. Today's November 2nd. To the 9th. Or the 10th, probably gonna be drunk. Baby picked me up from getting my hair did, and I'm outside of the barbershop. That's why I picked up to talk to y'all. I'm outside the barbershop trying to go ahead and get something in my stomach because I took my medicine this morning, my pain medicine, but I did not eat, and my head was kind of trying to start hurting. So I was like, baby, while we already on this side of town, let's go ahead and just give me some food, and you go ahead and see if your dude can cut your hair. So we'll have that out the way. The only thing I have to do, I still gotta go get my feet did. I didn't end up taking my nails off. I went to bed last night. So I'm gonna go, when we leave here, I'm going to get my feet done and my eyebrows arched. And then tomorrow, I'm going to get my nails done from somebody else. And then I'll be done with my birthday maintenance. So I'm just checking in with y'all. I love my hair. And the wig came out real good. And I didn't end up needing no extra bundle because the hair was so thick. Yeah. I'll be back to y'all tomorrow. I'm going to pick the giveaway winner tonight. I'm going to announce the winner and then we're going to end this vlog so I can start working on my birthday vlog. Oh, we went in DD's. Let me show y'all that. We went in DD's and I'm wearing a leopard dress and I felt like this color gold would be perfect with the leopard dress I'm going to wear on my birthday. And this looks like the age gold. And I paid $35 for this purse. And it was worth it. I love it so much, y'all. And then I love a cute sparkly flip flap, so I got these. And I'll check with you.
I wanna feel you. I wanna feel you. I wanna tell you, man, that I need you. I want somebody. It's my very last time. I want you to follow.
Okay, y'all, the only thing I have left to do is my nails tomorrow. I will show y'all my toes probably in the next vlog, but they cute. I got Miami Sand. It's a pretty nude color. Y'all know I love nude on my nails and on my feet. So I have to get my nails done tomorrow. We don't have anything else to do. We did go to the liquor store, get a couple of bottles of liquor. I'm just going to be chilling tonight because I'm not going to drink tomorrow night because you guys know I have a doctor's appointment on my actual birthday. And then we finally get to see where Mr. is taking me for my birthday. Thank you everybody for the early birthday wishes. I'm going to put the name of my giveaway winner at the bottom. Thank you so much, Boo, for supporting me. She's a follower from Facebook. I think she follows me on Facebook and she follows me on Instagram. This was a double dip. So I entered people from Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And this winner, your package will be sent out Monday before I go to the doctor. I hope you love everything that's in your package. I don't think she's an influencer or a YouTuber or anything like that. So cross our fingers that she will do a video and show the things that she got. If she doesn't, that's her personal thing. But congratulations for winning my birthday giveaway. I've been had this box sitting here for a while, and I'm supposed to bend it to give away, but life went to lifing. So congratulations, boo, and thank you for supporting me. I want to tell everybody thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting me. I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog. And the next vlog, we going to see where Mr. taking us. Thank y'all for the early birthday wishes again. Bye, y'all.